Have you ever felt frustrated trying to lose weight, only to gain it all back? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore 8 amazing strategies that can help you lose weight and keep it off for good. Are you ready to start your journey to a healthier you? Let's dive in. 1. Change your mindset. Did you know that losing weight starts in your head? That's right. Before you even begin changing what you eat or how you exercise, you need to change how you think about weight loss. Many people believe that losing weight will make them happier or more valuable as a person. But that's not true. You are already amazing just the way you are. Losing weight is just about getting healthier, not about becoming a better person. Try this. Instead of saying I need to lose weight to be happy, say I want to get healthier because I love myself. This small change in how you think can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. 2. There is no wagon. Have you ever heard someone say they fell off the wagon when talking about their diet? Well, here's a secret. There is no wagon. Many people think of weight loss like being on a wagon. When they eat healthy foods and exercise, they're on the wagon. But if they eat a cookie or miss a workout, they think they've fallen off the wagon. This way of thinking can be harmful. It makes you feel like you failed if you're not perfect all the time. But guess what? Nobody's perfect. Instead of thinking about a wagon, think about your weight loss journey as a long road. Sometimes the road is smooth and easy. Other times, it might be bumpy or have a few twists and turns. But no matter what, you're always on the road. 3. Focus on what you can add, not what you have to give up. When most people think about losing weight, they focus on all the foods they can't eat anymore. No more pizza, no more ice cream, no more chocolate. It sounds pretty sad, doesn't it? But what if we flip that idea upside down? Instead of thinking about what you can't eat, why not focus on all the yummy, healthy foods you can add to your diet? This simple change in how you think can make losing weight feel like an exciting adventure instead of a boring chore. It's like going on a food treasure hunt. 4. Use the crowd out technique. Have you ever tried to change everything about your diet all at once? It's super hard, right? That's where the crowd out technique comes in handy. It's a sneaky, but good, way to make your diet healthier without feeling overwhelmed. Here's how it works. Instead of taking away all your favorite foods at once, you slowly add more healthy foods to your meals. As you do this, there's less room on your plate and in your tummy for the not-so-healthy stuff. Let's try an example. Week 1. Your goal is to add 2 servings of veggies to your lunch every day. That's it. Don't worry about changing anything else. Week 2. Keep adding those veggies to lunch, and now try drinking an extra glass of water each day. Week 3. Continue with the veggies and water, and now add a 10-minute walk after dinner. See how it works? You're not focusing on what you can't have. Instead, you're adding good things to your day, one small step at a time. The magic of this technique is that it feels easy and positive. You're not depriving yourself of anything. You're just making room for more good stuff in your life. 5. Focus on commitments, not just results. Raise your hand if you've ever felt discouraged when the number on the scale didn't change, even though you were trying really hard to lose weight. We've all been there. But here's a secret. The scale doesn't tell the whole story. Instead of obsessing over the number on the scale, try focusing on the commitments you make to yourself each day. These are the small, everyday actions that lead to big changes over time. The great thing about focusing on commitments is that you have control over them. You can't always control whether your weight goes down on a particular day, but you can control whether you drink your water or take your walk. At the end of each day, ask yourself, did I keep the commitments I made to myself today? If you did, that's a win. Celebrate it. If you didn't, don't beat yourself up. Just think about what got in the way and how you can do better tomorrow. 6. Be reflective, not rejective. Okay, let's be real for a minute. There will be days when things don't go as planned. Maybe you'll eat too much pizza at a party or skip your workout because you're feeling tired. When this happens, how do you usually react? Many people get hard on themselves when they slip up. They might think things like, I'm such a failure or I'll never be able to lose weight. But this kind of thinking doesn't help at all. It can make you want to give up completely. Instead of rejecting yourself when things don't go perfectly, try being reflective. This means looking at what happened with curiosity instead of judgment. It's like being a detective in your own life. 7. Make it enjoyable. Here's a question for you. If you had to eat food you hated and do exercises you dreaded every day, how long do you think you'd stick with it? Probably not very long, right? That's why one of the most important strategies for sustainable weight loss is to make it enjoyable. When you like what you're doing, you're much more likely to keep doing it. Remember, if you're not enjoying your weight loss journey, you're doing it wrong. It's okay to have challenging days, but overall, taking care of your health should feel good. When you find ways to make healthy eating and exercise fun, it stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a positive part of your life. And when that happens, you're much more likely to stick with it long term. So ask yourself, what would make this journey more enjoyable for me? Then go out and do those things. Your future healthy self will thank you for it. 8. Practice self-compassion. Our last strategy might be the most important one of all, practicing self-compassion. But what exactly does that mean? Self-compassion is about treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a good friend. It's the opposite of being hard on yourself or beating yourself up when things don't go perfectly. Remember, being compassionate with yourself doesn't mean making excuses or giving up on your goals. It means supporting yourself, just like you would support a friend, as you work towards those goals. When you combine self-compassion with all the other strategies we've talked about, changing your mindset, focusing on what you can add, making commitments, being reflective, and making the journey enjoyable, you have a powerful recipe for sustainable weight loss. You're not just changing your body, you're changing your relationship with yourself. And that, my friends, is the key to lasting health and happiness. So, as you continue on your weight loss journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Celebrate your progress, learn from your setbacks, and always treat yourself with compassion. You've got this. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top 8 strategies for sustainable weight loss. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about quick fixes or extreme diets. It's about making small, consistent changes that you can stick with for the long haul. It's about treating your body with respect and kindness and building habits that support your health and happiness. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these strategies help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, wellness, and personal growth. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who might find it helpful too? Remember, we're all in this together, and supporting each other is a great way to stay motivated.